Jadi ada orang yang natoin dirinya tulisan KSI, nama KSI di seluruh tubuhnya. Setiap hari satu, dia nato terus menerus selama ratusan hari, nggak berhenti sampai KSI nelpon dia. Jadi kalau KSI nggak nelpon dia nggak akan berhenti. Jadi kalau sampai 20 tahun ke depan KSI nggak nelpon, seluruh tubuhnya penuh dengan nama KSI kayak gini ya. Alasannya sejauh ini yang gue tahu cuma karena KSI YouTuber favorit dia. Karena itu doang, karena dia ngefans banget sama KSI. Cukup absurd memang. Jadi dia nggak akan berhenti sebelum KSI nelpon dia. Nggak ada hal lain yang bisa bikin dia berhenti selain KSI nelpon dia ya. Jadi yang bisa bikin dia berhenti natoin KSI di tubuhnya ini cuma kalau KSI nelpon dia. Part 1 of the tattoo on my forehead. Ini pertama kalinya dia tatoin di mukanya kayaknya.
Today is day 150 of trying.
Day 150. Ini udah hari ke-150. Jadi ini adalah tato KSI 150 di tubuhnya.
To make a phone call with KSI. I wanna laugh, I wanna cry, Yeah, today is a tattoo on the face. God damn it, man! In this series, I'm posting a video every day doing a KSI tattoo until he calls me. Oh, no, loco! On the 150th day, I did a KSI tattoo on my forehead as
150 hari, 150 tato KSI.
I'm here at my friend's studio.
I'm not your friend.
I'm
Not your
losing friends with this shit. I can't believe I'm doing this. Are you gonna start? Oh my god. Man, I'm gonna go home and I'm gonna cry, bro. Wait. Woo.
Come on, pussy.
Damn.
Oh bro, there's no coming back now, bro.
Kira-kira apa tujuannya ya? There's no way dia cuma sekedar ngefans sama KSI. Gak mungkin dia rela natoin nama KSI di mukanya cuma untuk nelpon. What the fuck?
Face hurt, bro. Fuck,
Okay,
man.
first letter is
It's done?
Done. Yeah, it's done.
Oh my god. Oh my god, bro. Shit. Guys, if you wanna see the rest of the tattoo, go watch part 2.
Ini tuh November ya. Ini November 2024. Tapi sebelum itu udah ada progres dia. Tapi progresnya baru sekedar KSI DM dia. Jadi dia udah dapat notice dari KSI, tapi cuma sekedar DM, bukan phone call seperti yang dia mau, bukan telepon.
I'm so nervous. I don't know what to say. I just DM me. Okay. Let's open. I don't know.
Damn, dia kelihatan ngefans banget sih.
I'm so nervous, guys. I'm so nervous. Okay. Wait. Bro, please stop. I've messaged you. You can't stop now.
That's it.
Let's go! KSI messaged me. It should be like a good thing, right? No, guys. No. I don't know if you guys know, but I'm doing a series where I do a KSI tattoo every day until he calls me. And I'm at day 88.
Ini hari ke-88 ya. Jadi udah 88 tato KSI di tubuh dia. Masih belum ditelepon KSI, jadi dia masih akan lanjutin. Karena baru sekedar DM, dia pengennya ditelepon. Entah kenapa.
So I've done almost 100 KSI tattoos. And I was excited because I thought like, okay.
Jadi ini September, man. September dia udah 80 tato. Dan sekarang November masih berlanjut. Udah ratusan tato sekarang.
Okay, he messaged me. He's gonna call me next. No. It has been like 5 days since the message. He hasn't called me yet. So honestly, I don't know what to do. I just wanna ask you guys to please share this video. Please tag KSI on his Instagram and ask him to call me. Please.
Gua rasa ada something yang mau dia omongin sih. Ya nggak sih? Nggak mungkin sekedar pembicaraan biasa karena dia ngefans gitu. Pasti ada something yang pengen dia bilang ya. Mungkin ya. At the time of writing, Sopas has tattooed KSI's name on his body 161 kali. Still awaiting a phone call from the British YouTuber and holding true to his word. Even if his family isn't a fan of his latest endeavor. Jadi ini literally orang tuanya nggak setuju sama yang dilakuin. Nggak suka dia ngelakuin ini gitu, tapi dia tetap ngelakuin ini, man. Gokil. Nah, ini day 161 4 hari lalu.
Today is day 161 of trying to make a phone call with KSI. In this series, I'm posting a video every day doing a KSI tattoo until he calls me. Oh no, loco. On the 161st day, I
Gila.
continued doing tattoos on my arm. There was a person like this
Damn, look at this.
week asking me on the streets, like he see the tattoo, he saw the tattoos, he saw it was me, and he was like, oh, what's up, blah blah blah. I like the idea, but what does your family think about all of this? And I said like, I mean, my family doesn't really support this, but at the same
Jadi keluarganya nggak support apa yang dia lakuin ini. Dia tetap ngelakuin ya, tidak peduli.
like, it's my body, it's my choice, I do what I want to do. And at the end of the day, it's like they know and I know that if I'm gonna regret this in the future, or if there are some problems with this, I will have to deal with that by my own, because yeah.
Nah, ini juga terkesan unreal nih. Nah, ini banyak banget ya Dan tatonya konyol gitu, tulisan KSI. Apakah itu permanen? Apakah itu beneran? I don't know. Ini gila sih. Ini konyol sih. What the fuck?
You know, it's my choice, so it's the consequences are also mine, you know, so that's kind of how my family deals about it. But no, they are not really supportive about this.
Dia juga seorang tato artis ya, jadi dia untuk tangannya dia bisa tatoin sendiri. Sampai sekarang sih setahu gue dia belum ditelepon KSI ya. Jadi dia masih lanjut natoin seluruh tubuhnya. Kalau sampai KSI nggak nelpon, ini seluruh tubuhnya tertutup tulisan KSI anjir. Gila lah, nggak ngerti gue. Atau mungkin nggak permanen? I don't know man. Jadi Dexerto, media website ini ya, nanya ke dia alasan sebenarnya dia ngelakuin ini, dan dia nggak mau ngasih tahu itu, dia ngerahasiain itu. Dan dia bilang kayak gini, the best way I can explain is like this. The reason why I'm doing this, I can't share it online because it's very personal and I don't want the internet to know, and honestly if I share it, guys, I would have called me a long time ago. Nah itu tuh yang bikin gua berpikir emang bener ya, ternyata ada alasan something. Dia nggak bisa nge-share alasan dia ngelakuin ini, alasan sebenarnya dia ngelakuin ini karena katanya sangat personal dan dia nggak pengen internet tahu. Dan kata dia justru kalau dia ngasih tahu alasan sebenarnya yang dia lakuin ini, KSI pasti bakal nelpon dia. Makanya itu bingung gua. Kenapa nggak dikasih tahu aja alasannya? What I can say is that it would mean the world to get this phone call with KSI. I've tried everything to get a phone call with him, including 190 permanent tattoos and a tattoo of his name on my forehead. It might sound crazy, but it's worth it because my reason makes it worth it. Dia sangat menekankan ini ya. Yang dia lakuin ini worth it karena alasan dia ngelakuin ini bikin itu jadi worth it. Ya, jadi dia punya suatu alasan kenapa dia pengen banget bisa telepon KSI. Apakah itu? Gua nggak tahu. Apa tebakan kalian? Gua kagak paham dah. Itu benar-benar gokil sih. Natoin ke seluruh tubuh, nggak berhenti sampai KSI nelpon dia gitu. Berarti alasannya sangat-sangat seharusnya alasan yang penting ya. Gua nggak tahu sih personal kira-kira apa ya. Kalau kalian pengen ngecek update-nya, mungkin kalian bisa lihat di channelnya. Ini namanya Sopas Tattoo Artist. Dia masih ngelakuin ini nggak sih? No kan masih men. Masih loh. 164.
Today is the 164 of trying to make a phone call with KSI. Then. In this series, I'm posting a video every day doing a KSI tattoo until he calls me.
What? No, I'm making a Misfits tattoo on my face, but KSI's music start playing. There's no way this is a real tattoo, bro.
Today is the 165 of trying to make a phone call with KSI. In this series, I'm
Wait, tatonya yang di sini mana?
posting a video every day doing a KSI tattoo until he calls me. On the 165th day, I continued doing tattoos on my arm. There was a guy on the boat that said like, "Oh, you know that this that you are doing is not legal, blah blah blah." I know that a lot of things that I did are not legal, and I did them because I needed the videos to go viral. So I'm now backing down, and I'm not doing them anymore. I'm just gonna do tattoos in home or in a tattoo studio from one of my friends. So yeah, I'll probably not do any tattoos on the street anymore.
Oh, ilegal kayak gitu ya, bertahu.
Or at least like not in public spaces or like McDonald's, public transportation spots like that, you know. Okay, the front part of the arm, it's done.
Oke, kita lihat day selanjutnya. Udah ini day 165 terakhir.
Now I just need to, you know.
Jadi total udah ada 165 tato di tubuhnya. Kayak saya belum nelpon dia sampai sekarang. Ini kapan nih? Ini 22 menit lalu. Gokil, dedication. Semoga KSI nggak akan nelpon dia ya. Gue pengen lihat semua tato itu nutupin seluruh tubuhnya sampai 10 tahun ke depan.